Now, over 20 days since the rape and murder of Abhaya, there's a serious focus right now on women's safety in Kolkata because what we're going to tell you is absolutely shocking. While there was a protest seeking justice for Abhaya, 2 molestation incidents have come to light at these protest sites. Anti-rape protesters were molested in Kolkata while they were on the street seeking justice for Abhaya, and it doesn't get more brazen than this. It's being alleged that after the rally, when all protesters had come together, suddenly a man actually flashed one of the protesters. Seeing him do that, few of the protesters caught him red-handed and then handed him over to the police nearby. But believe it or not, he was actually let off by the Kolkata police, who claimed that he was unstable. And that's not the only incident that occurred. In the same protest, you had another protester who was molested by a drunk man who touched her inappropriately during the stir. He's been arrested now by the Kolkata police. We've been seeing a series of protests, both political and otherwise, on the streets of Kolkata, seeking justice for Abhaya. And these kind of incidents now happening at these protests itself, which are seeking women's safety. The BJP is continuing to train its guns at Mamta, accusing her of shielding goons and rapists.
पश्चिम बंगाल और कोलकाता में हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि आरजीकर की घटना को लेकर बड़ी हलचल सी मच गई है और इस वक्त जो है रविवार की रात है और इस रविवार की रात में रिक्लेम द नाइट जो प्रोटेस्ट वो प्रोटेस्ट टॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री की तरफ से किया जा रहा है। टॉलीवुड के एकदम प्रथम सारी की जितने भी एक्टर एक्ट्रेस हैं सारे मिलके यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट जता रहे हैं रविवार की रात को और ये एक दूसरी रात दखल जो रिक्लेम द नाइट प्रोटेस्ट हुई थी उसकी सेकंड वर्जन कहा जा रहा है। और इसी बीच जो दुखद एक घटना घटी है वो दुखद घटना है कि यहीं पे प्रोटेस्ट चल रही थी और यहीं पे एक जन जो है कि ड्रंकन स्टेट में पाया गया और महिलाओं को मॉलेस्ट कर रहे थे। ऐसी जो स्थिति है वो स्थिति अभी बन रही है कोलकाता की, यानी कि इस वक्त ऐसी ही एक चीज बताया जा रहा है एलिजिडली मॉलेस्ट करने की कोशिश की गई, लेकिन इस वक्त पूरी कोलकाता और पूरी पश्चिम बंगाल की स्वर एक ही है, जस्टिस फॉर आरजीकर।
For the first time in my life, I am totally drained out. It took me a lot of courage to come to this place, but I could not have left the land of gods without being accountable before you all. On August 9, 2024 was not an incident, not a culpable act. It was barbarity expressed in extremity, shaming humanity. And the victim happened to be from a category, a class that is ever devoted to saving lives.
देखिए प्रशासन पूरी तरीके से फेल्यूर हो चुकी है और पूरी यहाँ पे जो पुलिसी व्यवस्था है पुलिसी व्यवस्था पूरी तरीके से टूट चुकी है और इसके लिए जिम्मेदार जो है वो ममता बनर्जी है। इसलिए ममता बनर्जी को कोई मोरल अधिकार नहीं है, नैतिक अधिकार नहीं है कि अपने पद पर बैठे रहे, वो अपना पद छोड़ के जाए, इससे ही बंगाल का मंगल है।
मध्यम ग्राम के टीएमसी का पंचायत अरेस्ट हुआ है, उसका घर जनता ने तोड़ा है। ये पूरा गुंडा रेपिस्ट का हाथ में बंगाल है और जो बात यहाँ से हमारी लीडर लोग ने बताई ना, इसका जड़ और इसका आर्किटेक्टर ममता बनर्जी खुद। स्टेप डाउन ममता, she should resign.
If Mamata Banerjee remains the chief minister and this party, TMC, stays in government, then definitely, this is going to continue because there is no law and order in this state. There is no law and order. They don't believe in the constitution. They follow Mamata Banerjee's constitution. They don't follow Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. So they are bringing a bill tomorrow in Vidhan Sabha.
কপিল সিব্বল তিনি ধর্ষকদের বাঁচাতে কেন সুপ্রিম কোর্টে দাঁড়িয়েছেন? ভুল। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে ধর্ষকদের বাঁচাতে কোনো লয়ার দাঁড়াননি। মামলাটা হয়েছে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট নিজে করেছেন। রাজ্য সরকারকে পার্টি করেছেন, তাহলে রাজ্য সরকার পুলিশ যে ব্যবস্থা নিচ্ছিল, অ্যারেস্ট করেছে, তো রাজ্য সরকারকে তো তার বক্তব্য জানাতে তো লয়ার দিতে হবে। তার সঙ্গে আচ্ছা কাকে বাঁচাতে যাবে? যাকে রাজ্য সরকার নিজে ধরেছে, কলকাতা পুলিশ নিজে ধরেছে, তাকেই বাঁচাতে যাবে, হয় নাকি কখনো? ফলে এই যে পারসেপশনটা দেওয়ার চেষ্টা হচ্ছে যে কপিল সিব্বালকে দাঁড় করানো হয়েছে একজন ধর্ষক খুনিকে বাঁচাবার জন্য, এটা একদম ভুল।
I can't say where the investigation is heading towards. We have the biggest, institution of investigation in our country. It's a Central Bureau of Investigation who have taken charge. They are trying to crack, I think, Shondip Ghosh. Good, if they can crack Shondip Ghosh, I will be very happy. They have to find the nexus behind Shondip Ghosh. Now, this can't be done overnight. This will take time. I think we are all getting a little impatient. While I agree that the protest has to go on, the protest must go on without this kind of shouting and without upsetting life in the city, life of the citizens.
Let's bring in Indrajit Kundu. He's joining us live from Kolkata with more details on this. Indrajit, these two incidents that have been reported in the protest, a protest seeking justice for Abhaya, it's as brazen as it gets. Has there been any statement that's coming from the police? There will be questions about whether adequate security was also provided for these protests.
Well, Akshita, a very unfortunate incident, of course. This was last night when at the heart of the city at Esplanade there was a major protest that was taking place, attended by young people. Also, a lot of celebrities from the film world in West Bengal. There were actors like Swastika Mukherjee, Devrina Manta, all of the Bengali film and industry, celebrities. And also point that
Okay, Indrajit, we're just going to fix your audio line. Just stay with us. In the meanwhile, I'll run our viewers through the latest that's come in from Bengal. Because even as you're seeing these two incidents of molestation taking place in Kolkata during a Justice for Abhaya protest, on Sunday, in a matter of 24 hours, there were 4 incidents of molestation that came to light, and 2 of them from inside hospitals in Bengal. Obviously, this has fueled public outrage. The fact that 20 days plus since the rape and murder of Abhaya, you're seeing these kind of rampant incidents targeting women. Let's get you more details in our next report.
Massive outrage sweeping India over Kolkata hospital rape and murder. But it has not been able to make women any safer in Bengal. An on-duty nurse was molested inside a hospital in Birbhum. A 13-year-old teen molested inside a Howrah hospital. A minor was molested by a TMC Neta's aide in Cooch Behar. And a 7-year-old child was molested in North 24 Parganas. A horrifying spurt in crime against women in Bengal. Despite the nationwide anger over brutal RG Kaur hospital rape and murder. A 13-year-old teen was molested in Howrah hospital at night by a technician in a CT scan department.
के रूम में ले जाके किस किया, डरा दिया और उसका पैन फैन भी खोल रहा था। बोलो बाबा, बोलो क्या किया? पैन खोला, बोले कभी ऐसा वीडियो देखी हो?
In Birbhum, an on-duty nurse was molested by a patient she was treating for a fever. The patient inappropriately touched the nurse, leading to public anger.
নাইট শিফটে আসার পর একজন পেশেন্ট এসেছিলেন, তো মেল পেশেন্ট, তো উনি ফিভার কমপ্লেন নিয়ে এসেছিলেন। তো ডক্টরের অ্যাডভাইসের মতো আমি স্যালাইন চালাতে গেছিলাম। তো স্যালাইন চালানোর জন্য চ্যানেল করতে যাই, তখনই আর কি পেশেন্টটা আমার সাথে মিসবিহেভ করে, মানে আমার গায়ে হাত দেয় আর কি। ঠিক আছে, প্রাইভেট পার্টি আর এমনি গালিগালাজ তো করছিলেন।
আমারই কিছুই ছিল না, পেশেন্ট মিসবিহেভ করতে থাকে। তারপর পেশেন্টটার যথারীতি যেরকম আমরা প্রেশার মাপি বা আরও যে সমস্ত ক্লিনিক্যাল এক্সামিনেশনের পর পেশেন্টকে দিদি আইভি ফ্লুইড আর ইঞ্জেকশন দিতে গিয়েছে। পেশেন্ট ভায়োলেন্ট বিহেভ করে, পেশেন্ট মিসবিহেভ করতে থাকে, গালিগালাজ করতে থাকে, তার গায়ে হাত দেয়। তো এই বিহেভটার জন্য আমরা জানিয়েছি পুলিশকে জানিয়েছি একটা অথরিটিকে।
Tensions escalated in North 24 Parganas, where a 7-year-old child was sexually assaulted by a TMC leader's husband. As the news of molestation broke, locals staged protest, retaliated by attacking and vandalizing the TMC leader's house. In another alarming incident in Coach Bihar, a minor girl was allegedly molested by brother-in-law of a Trinamool worker. He has now been arrested by the police. Bengal police clarified, saying multiple arrests have been made. Meanwhile, junior doctors and citizen groups staged protest in Kolkata seeking justice for Abhay.
We have the biggest institution of investigation in our country. It's a Central Bureau of Investigation who have taken charge. They are trying to crack, I think, Shondeep Ghosh. They have to find the nexus behind Shondeep Ghosh. Now, this can't be done overnight. This will take time. I think we are all getting a little impatient. While I agree that the protest has to go on.
TMC and BJP traded charges over gender crimes in Bengal.
हमारी डिमांड्स है कि जो घटना घटी है एक बच्ची को लेकर, वो घटना का इन्वेस्टिगेशन कितना दूर तक हुआ है, सीबीआई आज तक जांच का बारे में कुछ नहीं बोली। तो हमारी ये डिमांड है कि वो बोले कि प्रोग्रेस कितना हुआ है और फांसी की ऐसा केस हो कि रेपिस्ट को फांसी हो।
देखिए, एक के बाद एक रेप हो रहा है। लास्ट 24 घंटे में पश्चिम बंगाल में टोटल 6 रेप और मोलेस्टेशन की घटना घटी है। तो इसलिए जो गलती है वो गलती है, जो आरजीकर की घटना घटी है, सिर्फ एक कोई इंसिडेंट नहीं है, ये सिस्टेमिक फेलियर है और इसके लिए ममता बनर्जी को रिजाइन करना है।
Bengal remains angry, asking how long will it take to make its women safe. With Ritik Mondal in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.
A state that was once considered to be the safest for women, 4 incidents of molestation one day, and then overnight during protests in Kolkata, 2 more incidents of molestation being reported. I want to take this across once again to Indrajit Kundu for more details. Indrajit, we lost your connection earlier, but you were giving us details about the 2 incidents that have happened overnight in Kolkata, raising serious concerns about women's safety, because ironically enough, this happened at a protest seeking justice for Abhay, seeking women's safety.
Well, that's right, Akshita. Last night, there was a big protest that was taking place. There were students who were on a night vigil in the heart of the city, and the protest was attended by several celebrities, actors from the Bengali film industry. And at that protest, there were 2 separate incidents that have now come to light, in which one person who was in an inebriated condition allegedly entered the protest, and there was some misdemeanor, following which the protesters actually caught him and handed him over to the police. The police then finally detained and arrested that person. There's another incident of an unidentified person, was visible at that protest site, and the allegation is that he had flashed his private part at protesters. Extremely inappropriate behavior. However, he managed to flee. The police is trying to identify that person. So clearly, these 2 incidents does raise questions about safety of women at night in Kolkata in the backdrop of what has already happened. However, I can also confirm that there was adequate security and police presence at that program, and police did swing into action as soon as these 2 incidents were reported by protesters on ground during that time.
All right, Indra, thanks very much for getting us all of those details. The Kolkata police maintaining that they did crack the whip in the second case of one of the accused going ahead and molesting a woman protester. He's been arrested immediately. In the first incident of a man flashing a protester, he was let off, as the Kolkata police maintain. He's unstable. We'll await a detailed statement from the police. But let's get you more reactions, as there's been nationwide outrage over the rape and murder of Abhaya. You had President Draupadi Murmu, who was in fact speaking at the National Conference of District Judiciary, saying that delays in deciding heinous crime cases such as rape in courts forces the common man to think that the judicial process lacks sensitivity. President Murmu also expressed concerns over delay in actually delivering justice even in heinous crimes like rape and urged courts to take these cases up and expedite them. Listen in.
जो बलात्कार जैसे जघन्य अपराध के मामले में न्यायालय के निर्णय एक पीढ़ी के गुजर जाने के बाद आते हैं तो सामान्य व्यक्ति को लगता है कि न्याय प्रक्रिया में संवेदनशीलता कम है। मैं आपको एक बार में कही थी कि गांव के लोग, गरीब लोग अदालत से नीचे से ऊपर तक जितने न्यायाधीश है सबको भगवान मानते हैं, क्योंकि वहां जस्टिस मिलता है। साधारण में एक कहावत है, भगवान के घर देर है लेकिन अंधेरा नहीं। लेकिन देर कितने दिन तक, कितना देर हो सकता है? 32 साल, 12 साल, 20 साल, 10 साल? हम लोगों को सोचना चाहिए। तब तक जिसको न्याय मिलेगा 32 साल के बाद शायद उनके चेहरे से मुस्कान ही खत्म हो जाएगा, जिंदगी ही खत्म हो जाएगी। इसके बारे में बहुत सी गहरे से सोचना चाहिए।